Hi, the goal here is to show you my last buy from AliExpress. We can see we can increase the temperature of this, decrease, should stop it, and turn it again. So I have to say that I'm pretty amazed with this. This works very well. It's very good quality indeed. Okay, I recommend to buy, no problem at all. Enjoy. It comes with all these little craps. What is important is that it indeed solders very well. This also comes with this solder, as you can see. It's very good. We'll see this. See, and we can see that I'm able to solder it very well. See, soldered. Quite good, huh? And I don't have much experience on this, but this works quite well, this iron. I have to be honest. We talk about Chinese everything, but well, what can I tell you? This one works very well. Trust me. See, quite well, huh? This decreases the temperature. Sometimes it decreases the temperature, so we need to increase it. 380. Worked pretty well, huh?